been a long time since I made a video, but I'd like y'all to know, for the 4 guys that were following the 85 Toyota, the Rally Yoda, that is still a thing. It's, long story short, had a kid, life happened. It's still in the works. It no longer has a turbo on it, but it's gonna get finished, it's gonna run, it'll be the same plan that I originally had. But a few things have changed recently that have given me another project that is a lot more badass and is gonna take pretty much all of my time until it's finished, which we're currently working on it. I'm about to show you the car and the plans for it, which I'm machining a 350 small block for right now, as a 383 stroker, fully forged internals. We're gonna do the whole deal. It should be decent compression, hopefully over 500 horsepower, and made it to a Muncie 4-speed of some sort. We got to figure out the rear gear ratios, which I got to wait on that because I need to figure out what transmission I want, because the M20 and 21, the 22 Rock Crusher, they all have different, obviously all different gear ratios, but that'll be for a later video. This will just be kind of a short one as an update, and really the first video on the Camaro. So take a look at this. As you can see, 350 small block. I've decked it already. We are probing for the bore. Got to order pistons for it tomorrow, so we're going to make sure it cleans up. I need 30 over pistons, so, and that block's in good shape, so I'm sure it'll be fine. I got dirt all over my face. Now I will show y'all the Camaro, which is an absolute dream come true. It is a 1971 split bumper, as you can see. Has been in storage for a very long time. I may share the story on the previous owner and the previous driver who actually, this car was built by Pat Stair in 2004, or roughly 2004. It's bare bones. It was set up, it had a Brodix aluminum small block in it that made about 700 horse, and it had a 4-speed Muncie in it. So obviously I can't afford to throw the kind of parts and the block needed to get back to that power like it deserves, because this car is absolutely built for it. But I think around 500 horsepower, and once I learn how to drive it, then maybe later on down the road I'll save up and we'll throw a bigger, badder part into this thing. But right now, as you can see, I mean, everything's there. Definitely need to update the seat and belts. Obviously those are, the last time it was raced was 2018. If anybody's familiar with any kind of motorsports, really, there was a huge crash at Road America in 2005, and this car was running pole in that crash right before it happened. There's a few videos. Unfortunately, 2005 was before a lot of the time for mobile phones and YouTube, so there's only a couple videos out of it, but you can see this car in the pole position speed by as they go green, and the crash happens. Unfortunately, sucks for a lot of guys. But anyway, back to this. Gauges, the wheel, like seat, even the battery box, all the switches, everything's here. It's got a sweet shift light. I doubt anybody even watches this, but anybody that knows me knows this is absolute dream come true. But yeah, I get speechless when I look at it, because we're gonna get it on the track, and it should be running here within the next month. Should have the block. I'm planning to have the crank and pistons in the block, short blocked, this week. It is Wednesday or Tuesday. I don't even know what day it is. I have heads ready to go. We may walk over there and check that out. But one last look at the car. It's got a Ford 9-inch Winters rear, dual fuel pumps, I don't even know if I can use them. I don't know if they work, but we're gonna try them. I have a used Poly Sniper, a Super Sniper. Hopefully I don't have any issues with it, but I have that on the way to run on the car. So the car's gonna have EFI. All the tuning capabilities that we can throw at it later on will be extremely nice to have, especially being able to change things on the fly. Here is the intake. Got the crank sitting there, but there's the intake. Just a basic single plane, sort of a higher end, but we got H-beam rods, 383 crank, that's a forged crank, and we have these cheap aluminum heads that are actually pretty decent. They're not too bad. 220cc heads should get some really good flow out of it. I'm seeing a lot of guys with the same type setup they're touching 400 horsepower. So I think with a custom cam and those heads and the work we're going to do, it should turn out pretty well. As you can tell, I am in a full machine shop. It is after work. All the guys have left. I figured I'd do a quick video and update. Probing the last cylinder, and we'll be ready to bore it out. But yeah, that's really it for the update. Look at that thing. Sweet. But there's going to be a lot more coming out on this car, and I doubt anybody even watches this video, but if you do, keep an eye out. Hopefully, if not this week, probably next week, I'll have another video out once I get the block. I may do a short video in the hone. I'm not sure. I don't know if anybody really cares about that. I think it's extremely cool, and that's the kind of stuff I watch on YouTube, so I'm sure somebody will watch. But we have a very nice roller hone, so I'll get it honed, get it on a stand, get the parts together. We'll get it in the clean room and start the assembly process, and I think that's where I'll pick up the next video. Maybe I'll have a clean face and a better setup with the camera, but I'm just doing this on my phone for now. But so for the beginning of the video, talking about the Toyota, that's going to happen. Engine's in it, transmission's in it, radiator. The only thing that's left is the fuel cell, running fuel lines, radiator, and finish up some wiring. So it's really not that big of a deal. I've just been insanely lazy, haven't even been able to go in my shop for the most part, and having a kid will do it. So that's all I got. If you'll watch it, comment, let me know what you want to see. I know it's going to be about that Camaro, because that thing's really, really badass. And that's going to be the most soon. That project's going to get done the quickest. That's what I'm focused on. The Rallyota's awesome, and that's still going to happen. But this Camaro, I have to get this thing on track. So anyway, next video will be here soon. Adios.